Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you all the new updates in eSarabi. Along with it I'll show you all the previous features also. So we'll go step by step with all of them. First one is restore all. This is to restore any manual overrides. You can restore individually only Smooth and Blast or only attached layouts, or you can restore all. If you click here it will restore all. If you click on any of these it will restore only Smooth and Blast, and this will restore only attached layout. And I have added one more feature here, check manual overrides. If you want, before restoring, if you just want to check whether manual overrides exist, just click on this. It will show a pop-up. If there are any manual overrides, it shows where are the manual overrides, like attachments, in attachments main base and in attachments supplementary base. We have manual overrides here in this book. So let's clear all the manual overrides and restore all the base. Once I click restore, everything is restored and we get a message that restore is successful. So now if I go to check manual overrides, it shows all good, no manual overrides. Now let's move on to next one, full calculation report. If you click on this directly, you will get all linked images, and if you don't want any link, you can click on no link full calculation report. This and this button and this first one gives same result like linked report, linked images, but this third one does not give linked images, it will give just images. Okay, next one. Before coming to the smoothing, let me show you RM Excel to CAD. There is one more new feature in this. So if I go to RM Excel to CAD, let's give attachment layout. Here if I click on RM Excel to CAD, before doing that, in AutoCAD file you need to do two things. Number one, you need to create array of this these supplementary bay. This and then explode this and check the modules, especially for RM5. For RM10 this does not apply. For RM5 you need to check whether all the modules have N in it. For example, we do not have N in this too, so just delete this too, copy from down. All the modules should have N in it, just cross verify. Now Excel to CAD, you need to do these two things. One is making array of the supplementary way. Number two is making sure all modules have N in it. If there are no N in it, just delete those modules and copy from left or right or down. And next, RM Excel to CAD, and I click on this. First I need to select reference way. Again, make sure you are not selecting any corners or edges for reference. So for Excel to CAD, click on this RM to Excel to CAD and select reference base cell. So make sure you do not select any corners or edges. So what we'll do is just always select this one. This is better option. Always select this one and make sure you do not select any supplementary bay. Always select a main bay. Don't select a supplementary bay. So I'm selecting this one this is always the best one, because 2 by 2, generally this is not an edge. In general, this is not an edge. Otherwise, you can select any one which is just first one away from the edge. Previously what we had is, we need to select first all the base, then we need to select supplement the reference bay. But now I have made some change. So first you need to select the supplementary bay, reference bay. So this is my reference bay, 2 by 2. So I'm selecting this. After that we need to select all the bays which I need to make change. In this case all the bays, and just press enter. And this is done. Now again once again go to Excel to CAD, and this time you select the module, first module. Any module you can select. In case of modules, you can select any module. So first I am selecting this first module, and then again reference module is this one, first one, and then I am selecting all the modules. All the modules are selected. Now just enter. This will be changed to, these are NS, so this will be changed to NS here. You need to run this Excel to CAD 2 times. One time, first time you are selecting base, and the second time you are selecting modules. Now I'll close this AutoCAD. Now let's come to auto smoothing. Here you should be either in Smoothen Ballast or attachment layout. To smoothen, you are going to smoothing sheet. Okay, this is an attachment layout. So if you want to add any attachments, you can just enter X directly, but make sure when you are entering X in it, when you are changing any attachment pattern, attachment layout, your attachment pattern should be 4. Then only it will reflect, because all the changes made in eCeravi will be changed only in attachment pattern 4. If you have any other attachment pattern, just copy that pattern to attachment pattern 4, and then only you can edit here. Otherwise it won't. Let's see for an example. If I'm giving attachment pattern 2, attachment pattern 2 will reflect here, but you cannot change it. For example, if I'm giving X here, it will just roll back to 2. So just make sure you're selecting attachment pattern 4 here. And if you want to remove any attachment, just enter R there. Make sure X and R are small letters, small x, not capital X. It should be small x, and R should also be smaller. Now the most awaited feature, we have auto smoothing here. So if I click on auto smoothing, all the base, supplementary base will get smoothened. Make sure before running auto smoothing, 2 things. Number 1, you should finish all the attachment patterns first. You should give all the attachments. After running auto smoothing, you cannot give any attachments, because if you give any attachments, the manual overrides there will still exist. Okay, we can. Number 2, you should not have more than 4 in case of this. You should not have extra base, extra number of blocks. For example, in this case, you should not have any bay more than 4 here. For example, if you have 5 here, you will get red color. So you should not have any red colors. You should not have any red colors. So to restore this, just I'm right clicking it, it will get restored to 1. Now will you can also manually those two things. First is attachment, and second one, you should not have any reds. You should complete all the attachments. Next, you can just do it manually, even 0 and 1. I'm shifting that 1 to the next way. Even after doing manually, you can run auto smoothen, or you can directly run auto smoothen. So first thing, let's make a image copy of this first. Copy and paste as image. Before if you want to do any right click, you cannot right click in this area because right click is for restore. So apart from that, you can just right click here and you can give an image. Don't give a linked image, just give a normal image so that we can have cross reference later. Now I'm running auto smoothen. Once auto smoothen is done, you will get a pop-up that auto smoothen is done, and you can notice we have this strips here, this pattern here to show where blocks are changes are made. So you can just check it, whatever we have done, is it correct or not. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, one more thing, one more new feature I have added. Now previously you could just save this, you could just exit this sheet and there was no need to save, but now you can save this and you can refer it later, because this will have all the edits here. Whatever edits you have done, whatever changes you have done, it is stored in this book. So now I have saved that book. Where is that book saved now? Next time when I'm opening it, if I want the same sheet, instead of clicking on this button, I'll go to this smoothen sheet existing. Oh, it says go to either ballast or attachment. Smoothen sheet existing, and it will ask me for that book. This is the book which we saved. Now I got it back. This will have the history of whatever we have done, so this can be useful later. But this changes whatever changes are there here. This changes, I mean this pattern will be visible only if we change using eSarabi. If we change manually directly in this won't show up. For example, if I'm changing anything here in array 1, if I'm changing anything here, so this is round 2 blocks, this is I think main block. So if I'm changing, I'm placing here 1, here it changed from 2 to 1, it was 2 previously. If I change to 1, it will change, but there will be no pattern here.